I'm Sunny. Please hold on tight and remain seated at all times during your safari. Have fun! Oh look! Here's the tiger! I wonder why you came my flag.
Oh, stop! Me too, and I've got a worm up my nose.
Ah, that makes sense now. Ollie and Olive are both so scared that they've got their heads stuck in the ground, and she's trying to make friends with them.
Hold on tight.
Well done.
Here's the tiger! I wonder why she's on grass, because we can't find her. Ooh, looks like it's bath time for the little one. Ellie the elephant loves to help out.
Good boy, stay there.
What a silly snake. Oh, how cute! A baby ostrich is hatching. Doesn't Mum look proud? Hey, there goes Deborah the zebra. Funny how she's so saucy when she's covered in stripes. Hey, John. Hello, dear.
George, don't be rude. Say hello